Evet. All right, thank you very much.
Eine Gleisänderung zum Interregio 36 nach Zürich ausgebaut. Der Interregio 36 nach Anwendung.
Hallo. Genau.
Aus Sicherheitsgründen möchten wir... risquent den Flug zu verpassen. Attention s'il vous plaît, la porte numéro 3 pour le vol British Airways 755 à destination de Londres Heathrow est en cours de fermeture. Le passager Grove risque de ne plus embarquer sur ce vol.
That's it.
Your attention please, gate number 34 British Airways flight 755 to London Heathrow is closing. Passenger Grove is about to miss the flight.
Délután kívánunk kedves utasaink, üdvözöljük Önöket a Wizz Air Budapestre tartó járatának felezetén. Szeretnék Önöket emlékeztetni rá, hogy tankolásunk még mindig folyamatban van. Kérjük először ülőhelyeiket elfoglalva biztonságjöveiket még ne csatolják be. Kérjük, hogy Urban, first officer Mr. Zoltán Kozman and the entire crew, I would like to welcome you on this Wizz Air A321 NEO aircraft flying to Budapest. My name is Diana and together with CLV Kata, our parents and CLV take very good care of you. Our estimated flight time to Budapest will take 1 hour and 35 minutes. Your crew is ready for departure, so please fasten your seatbelts, close the drapables in front of you, put the armrests down and open the window blinds. Make a big trip here for your safety and comfort, so please let us look after you to find the safety compliant with Wizz Air. Tiszteletet exit felirat jelöli. On this aircraft there are 10 emergency exits. Ezen a repülőgépen in the front. 2 kijárat a kabin elején. 4 exits are over the wing. 4 kijárat a kabin közepén. 2 exits are behind the wing. 2 kijárat a szárnyak mögött. And 2 exits are in the rear. 2 kijárat a kabin végén. In the event of an evacuation, it is important to leave your luggage and follow the four-post marking which will guide you to the emergency exit. Vészhelyzet esetén fontos, hogy hagyják hátra csomagjaikat és kövessék a padlófésort, bemutatja az utat a legközelebbi vészkijárathoz. Please take a moment to locate the exit nearest to you, keeping in mind that it may be behind you. Kérjük, jegyezzék meg az önökhöz legközelebb eső kijáratot, figyelembe véve, hogy ez akár önök mögött is lehet. Now we are going to show you how to use the seatbelts. Most bemutatjuk a biztonsági övek használatát. To fasten your seatbelts, push the stick and hand tightly by pulling the loose end. The arm doesn't let the cover of the buckle. Csatolják be és hajtsák befesre biztonsági öveket. Kicsatolni a felülap felemelésével lehet. And now we are going to show you how to use the oxygen masks. Most bemutatjuk önöknek az oxigén maszkok használatát. The oxygen masks are located in the panels of your head.
Switched off the fasten seatbelt signals. Turbulence may happen unexpectedly. We recommend you to keep your seatbelts visibly fastened whenever you are seated. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as items may fall out and cause injuries. Let us inform you that smoking on board, the usage of e-cigarettes, vaping and the consumption of your own alcohol which was not purchased on board is strictly forbidden. Laboratories are equipped with smoke detectors. Any attempt on smoking will be prosecuted and can be subject of cancellation of future Wizz Air flights. Cabin crew call button is located in the panels above your seat. Should you need assistance during your flight, please do not hesitate to contact any of our crew members. Thank you for your kind attention and we wish you a pleasant flight. Hölgyeim és Uram, a kapitánnal kapcsolatban.
Thank you.
Passengers will be landing in a few minutes. At this time, you're required to remain seated and fasten your seatbelts, close the tray tables in front of you, put the armrest down, and open the window blinds. Let the cylinder launch electronic devices shall now be safely stowed, and we will keep the lavatories locked during the landing time. Please study the safety instruction cards located in the seat bucket in front of you, as it contains important safety information. In case of an unlikely event of an emergency, please leave all your luggage on board. Thank you for your attention. We hope you've enjoyed the flight with us and we look forward to the pleasure of serving you again soon. Cabin crew doors is parking cross-check.
Hi, thank you very much.